Yeah, hello guys, welcome back again. I'm Babs and this is AI for Tech, where we got deal with technicality and technology. In this video, it is BCtext encoder. We'll be showing you on how you can use use a data text encryption to encrypt your login details. Now, how can you actually encrypt your text or your login details? Just type all your login details in one folder, and type in your name, your email, the password, websites, and the name, email, password, and website. That's all. So you do all to all this. I'll be using the real email. So you do all, you type as many as you can. Once you have actually typed as many as you can, I'm actually using this because I don't want to actually reveal my password. I can't use my password. It's actually a password or my information. So I will click, do a Control A, then C. Once I actually do that, then I will actually open this file here, which is the BCtext encoder. So I will actually save this file. Okay, I already have one file here in this. So let me go over to this to the file. So let me unlock the items, so it will go back to my desktop. Can you see I've actually revealed it? So in the file, it is it is an encrypted 2 that is inside it, which I have actually encrypted earlier on. So I actually encrypt this file for training purposes. So I'll show you how I will decrypt the file and use it for for this class. I'm waiting for the file to actually the software to open. So now, that's one thing about hacking is patience, because there's a lot of file software upon software that you actually need to use. So we're actually going to type the code here. We will not say the code. So we actually type the code here. So sorry, I will actually let me actually use a new file. So now I will actually type all my informations. Let's say we have this information right here. So let's say we have all this information here. And this information is very confidential to us. We bring it down here. So this is how you are going to bring all your backend details, informations about your your login details, everything that has to do with your passkey, everything. You type it in one folder, then you encrypt it. Once you actually encrypt, you put in a password, you say encode. So you type in your password. I'm going to use one password. So do not share your password to anyone, as this can actually lead to a theft or any form of stealing. So do not release it, since it's actually a word encoded. Copy this for next purposes. Copy with the beginning encoding message and the encoding. Copy everything, because that's the same thing you're actually going to use to decrypt it back. So I'll put the file here. I'll put the file here and save it. So that's that on this. So to decode it back, you actually need a password to actually decode the file back to the original Oh, sorry, password invalid. So to actually get the code back. So once actually I've gotten the file here, you will save this in a word, in a new folder. Yes, in a new folder. So let's actually clear all this out. So we save this in a new folder. Once you save this in a new folder, write a name, file, open. So we write a name, you find a word, you give it a name. Like the previous one, I give it a sensitive file, send data. So to discover that this was sensitive data, I don't want to actually use the previous name I used. So you click on what? Oh, sorry, I'm saving this file, not opening. So save as. So you look for a place that you can actually begin encoding. So you can say encoded encoded tests. Save. So now once you actually save it, you actually come here on your file folder. So can you see that the file that you actually save is actually reflected on your desktop? So you go to your log folder, add a file. So once you add a file, you go to where that same file is being saved. You look for it, the particular place that you actually saved that file. So go to local. Once you go to local, look for desktop. This PC, desktop, this PC. So you stroke down. So you look for where you actually save that file. You can go to user. Let's go to save user. Look for your desktop. Okay, the file is not here. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. So you go down. Once you go down, then you see encoded file. So you put it in. So you see that the file will disappear from the desktop. Very good. So now it actually worked. We have actually protected that your password. You can actually put in your password in that folder, save it, everything that has to do with your password, your login details, and everything that has to do with it. Save it into it. Then you will actually save everything intact. Then you are good to go. So now, how do you actually decrypt it back? Can you see that I do not have the encrypted file anymore? So I'll come here and say and paste it back. So how do I decode it back? I'll click on decode it. So I'll put my password. So I'll click on OK. So it will bring out the test file. That's how it works. Thank you and do have a nice day. Bye bye.